civilization. The Arabs are ignorant and weak, and they led beastly lives. They were worshippers of many gods and goddesses, and were given all kind of voices. The people of other countries had also fallen on evil ways of life by that tongue. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in famous place, tribe of Makkah in 571 AD. His father Abdullah died before his birth, and his mother Amna died. He was only 6, so he became an orphan when he was still an infant. He brought up by a nurse named Halima. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib and his uncle Abu Talib took care of the boy. Early in life, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed through many pains and suffering. He got no opportunity for learning, but he taught much higher things than book knowledge by nature, the unseen hand of Allah. He taught the people the virtue of forgiveness. He asked them to do well to others and worship Allah. The Quran was revealed to him by Allah, and the hadith which contains his saying taught the Muslim many noble virtues to make them a great word force later on. This great and noble soul passed away in 632 AD at the age of 63, but his work and teaching remains and will be followed as wonders. He said there is no superiority for an Arab over a non-Arab, or for non-Arab over an Arab, or for white over the black, or for black over the white, except in piety. Right is the noblest among you will be most wise. No life history of any man, such as his family record or day-to-day events, as simple but stirring stories of